Hi friends, I am Deshan Mittal, a student of class 12th at Akash Institute. I have opted engineering. I have been studying here for 4 years now. I enrolled in Akash in class 9. In order to clear any exam, you need to strengthen your concepts and fundamentals. That's why I decided to start early. This year, in 2023, I scored 41% in IUQM exam. I joined Akash Byju's in 9th and 10th for foundation because I wanted to make my basics and fundamentals very clear. Because I had always wanted to pursue engineering, I always have wanted to pursue computer science from IIT Bombay. I was very much impressed by the quality of content and teaching here. That's why I decided to pursue my studies in 11th and 12th from here. Due to the efforts of my teachers, I was able to secure 98% in my class 10th boards exam. Apart from that, I also wanted to do good in Olympiads and some other exams. In foundation, I was able to qualify PRMO, NSO and IMO. Alongside my JEE preparation, I also had to allot at least 1 to 2 hours for my IUQM preparation. I would say that if you are thorough with your concepts and fundamentals, you will not need to do a lot for IUQM. JEE preparation will also help you a lot for IUQM, but still you will have to practice a lot of questions to develop your speed and accuracy. In Akash, the curriculum and the content is very integrated. We are given the practice of both subjective and objective type pattern. We don't have to worry very much about the school exams. We can prepare for JEE as well as IUQM without worrying much. I would say that IUQM preparation helps a lot for JEE as well, as IUQM preparation helps to boost my problem solving skills and also boosts my confidence that I can solve advanced level questions as well. I regularly solve the mock tests provided by the institute, which helped me to develop my problem solving skills and also help to sharpen my concepts and fundamentals. The exam in itself is very much difficult as it gives you a chance to represent your country at international levels, but due to the mock tests and support provided by the faculty here, I did not found very much difficulty in cracking the exam. I would say that if your concepts are very much strong, then you need not stress very much about this exam. Just you need to focus on solving as much problems as you can, as it helps in developing your speed as well as accuracy, and it also boosts your JEE advanced preparation. Teachers at Akash were very supportive and cooperative. They told me that if you prepare for IUQM, it will also help in your JEE preparation. They also motivate me to solve some extra content apart from the JEE content so that I can do well not only in JEE but also in other exams. First of all, I read through all the instructions that were written in the question paper. After that, during the first 15 minutes, I took a brief look at the paper to guess the difficulty level of the exam. After that, I started from question 1 and started to move towards all the questions. In the first look, I attempted only those questions which I found were easy and were easy to solve and which were not lengthy. The questions that I found were a bit lengthy or a bit difficult, I marked them for review so that I can attempt them at the last. In the first look, I was able to crack through at least 15 to 20 questions, and for the rest of questions, I spared time at the last and then I made a look for them also. If I come to the weightage, then number theory and combinatorics cover a major portion of the exam, and I will also suggest that geometry also makes a significant portion of the weightage. First of all, you should make strong those topics which you feel confident about. Then you should move towards those topics which you feel less confident about. In my case, I first covered through the number theory and combinatorics, then I made my geometry strong, which I feel a bit less confident about.